Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial you will learn how to add apps to home screen on your Android phone. I am explaining two easy method to easily add your app icon on your home page. So let's get started. First of all, grab your phone, unlock it, then swipe the home screen to open the app door. Here you can see all of the installed app listed there. Simply find the exact app icon if you want to add your home screen. For example, I am at the default phone icon, my home screen. Simply long press it, then click on the add to home button and automatically added the app icon, my home screen. You can change the position, simply tap on hold it, then drag to the another position if you like, then drag your finger and automatically set it. However, if you decide to another way, you want to add the app icon on your home screen, so do that. Go back to the app screen again, find the app. For example, this time I'm added this tips app icon. Simply long press it, then drag it to the very bottom, set to the place if you like, and release your finger and automatically set it. That's it, you are done. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care.